I want to go over how I actually achieve my ultimate physique, how I keep progressing, and how you can do the same. Now, a few questions that I get asked all the time are, how did you achieve that body? How do you stay so disciplined? What specific steps did you take? So that's why I decided to condense my years of training, my years of experience into my top 6 secrets to achieving your ultimate physique in 60 days. It all starts here, so let's dive right in. So secret number 1, creating a strong why. This is easily one of the most crucial steps to your ultimate physique. Without a strong why, no one would do anything great. Think about one thing that you achieved that you were blown away by. It was a tough grind, but you accomplished it. It might have been passing that test you studied so hard for. It might have been getting that job or getting that promotion you worked so hard towards. I'll give you a second to think about what it was for you. Now think back to what your why was. Why did you want to achieve that so badly? Was it because you wanted to impress your parents? Because you needed the money? What was your why? Now I guarantee whatever it was you did, you had such a strong why, such a strong desire to achieve that goal. So that is why I want you to come up with a strong why for achieving your ultimate physique. Now I know you already have a goal in mind. You want to improve your physique. You want to become more confident in your body. Or maybe you want to take your business to the next level. I just want you to think about your personal goal. So I'm going to give you a few seconds. Think about your number 1 goal and I want you to write it down. Go ahead and do that now. Okay, great, you've got your goal written down. It's something you're truly passionate about. But now what I want you to do is write down why you want to achieve that goal. What's the reason you want to achieve this goal so badly? Take a second to do this now. So now you have your why. I want you to hold this very close to your heart because this is actually what's going to push you through the hard times. This why that you've created is what's going to take you to the places you never thought you could be. Now keep this close by as we will be using it later on, but I want you to strive for your goals. Always keep the why in the front of your mind. Use it as fuel to drive you. When you feel like quitting, remember why you started.